Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are showing you what we bought off of Facebook Marketplace. So we've wanted a new table and chairs, or a table and chairs, but we didn't want to go out and buy something brand new. It was going to cost thousands of dollars for what we wanted. We found this on Facebook Marketplace and they said it was in perfect condition. And as people do on Facebook Marketplace, they lied. But we got there, it was still a great deal. We think we can get everything clean, and we think, well, it's a challenge. And we have a fancy Bissell. This is the Pro Heat Revolution 2. You know, it's got a pet attachment, which is what this pet tool is. But of course, it works on furniture and things like that too. So we're going to give this a shot, and we're going to clean this. And this Bissell works really, really well on carpet. We've never got a chance to use the attachments and tools. So here we go. And we'll see if we can do this, and if it'll stay clean, and if what we got was a great deal and we can use it, or if it goes back on the Facebook Marketplace in a little bit better condition than it came to us. So let's get started. Okay, so how you use this on upholstery is pretty easy actually. This one comes with an attachment that plugs right in the base here, and it actually has a thing that says lift to attach, hose and tool. So you attach it right there. This little tank here does two things. One is you fill it with water. You can do express clean or whatever, but you can also do, if you're doing carpet, you can go all the way up to the top. You filter the water line, you pour from water line to formula line, and basically that's it. Then you basically put this in here. It reattaches, slides right into this top piece. The bottom piece is your catch. So this is what's going to get you all your dirty water. So as you can see, they were nasty. So anyways, you should do this until it gets kind of clean. One thing to keep in mind is you want to make sure this gets cleaned out. This is just a little debris thing. Sometimes you get some hair in there, or you get some fabric in there, or something like that. But it sits in there, and once that gets full, which is we're near the full line right now, you have to dump it out. It'll let you know, because it won't suck anything, and it'll make a louder, different noise to it. This little button turns it on the side, so that really turns it on. It turns it on for the attachment as well. The attachment itself has got a trigger. This trigger, the only thing it's for is to really spray the formula. So it takes from this tank, sprays the formula. You can use the brush then without your finger on the trigger to scrub to get the, you know, this is for a pet tool. So if you want to get things out of it, or upholstery, of course, you can get things out of it. You scrub, and then when you take your finger off the trigger, this sucks it up. You're going to suck up all the water, suck up all the dirt. It's going to go in this bottom reserve tank on the bottom here, and you get to see all the nastiness that comes from that. So that's really the whole process to it. And then you got to go over it a bunch of times. Make sure it's clean. Make sure that you test an area before you start. You don't want to find out that you did this, you sprayed some formula on it, and it drastically adjusted what the fabric looks like. So that's it, and that's how you really use the Bissell pet tool or the Bissell 2 Revolution. This is a really nice feature in vacuum. Has a good carpet cleaner and things like that. The only knock on this at all doing carpet cleaning is you go through this formula really, really quick, and this tank fills really, really quick. So whatever you think you need to clean your carpet, you probably need more. Okay, so as you can see, they're still drying, so there's a little bit of shadowing and things like that to it, but they are 100 times better, and they smell better, they look better, and the Bissell Revolution really did a great job of just cleaning this. So far, I think we're gonna rescue these, and they're gonna be in our house, and you'll see them in our dining room, and that sort of thing. But they look really, really good. The only downside of it is they must have let pets on them. So we're going to have to get something to roll and get the pet hair off it. Black hair, never good for white chairs like they're light colored chairs. So we're going to do that. Other than that, they smell good, they look really good, and we're gonna use them. So that's it. Subscribe to our channel. The Bissell came to the rescue on this one. We'll see you next time. Super thanks is always welcome. That's it. We'll see you next time.